Adnan, how does it feel to be the leading run scorer in the inaugural Schools SA20?
Yeah, it feels quite good, especially after the first game. Didn't come off. I think I brought it quite well back. The second game and the third game. And just seeing my name on top of the board, it just means a lot to me as well, especially not coming in with confidence after the first game.
And also, you've played at the higher level before. You've played at SA under 19, and you've also played. Did you feel the pressure coming into the tournament?
Yeah, I think there was quite a bit of pressure, especially because there's a lot of expectation on me. But I think my coaches and a few sirs spoke to me about it, and I think that calmed me down quite a bit for the second game. And I think I put on a good show for them.
And how much did you enjoy that one particular knock against St. David's?
I quite enjoyed it actually. At the start it wasn't that good because inside edging the ball, but I think I came back after when it came off it felt nice.
Are you going to follow that rookie auction for SA20 quite closely next year?
Yes, I'm definitely following quite close.
And where do you want to go in terms of your cricket going forward?
Hopefully Proteas one day, but for now I think SA20 and all the T20 leagues, and then yeah, SA under 19 as well for the World Cup.